1, 2, 3 and remaining 6. Okay. So usual form is 6, 1, 2, 5, 000, 000. Okay. Next. The cell of a bacteria doubles itself every 1 hour. How many cells would be there after 8 hours? Means basically the question wants to ask you is how many times the cells would be there after 8 hours of that of original number while starting. Okay. So now let's start. Let there be x bacteria now. After 1 hour it will be 2x. After 2 hours it will be 4x. See here, double. 2x into 2, 4x. Then 3 hours, 4x into 2, 8x. 4 hours, 8x into this 16x. Now this goes on. Now if you convert this 2x, 4x to 8x, 16x, how it can be converted into 2 raised to something? See this. 2 raised to 1. Here it can be 2 raised to 0 now, right? So 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So what does it mean? If there are 2 hours, it's 2 raised to 2. There are 3 hours, it's 2 raised to 3. 4 hours, 2 raised to 4. What we want? 8 hours. N hours, 2 raised to n. So after at 8 hours, it will be 2 raised to 8. Right? So 2 raised to 8 into x. Now what does it mean? Now it means it is 2 raised to 8 times that of the original number. Right? Because that's what is there. 2 raised to 8 into x. X is the original number. But what is 2 raised to 8? 2 raised to 8 is 256. Right? You must remember this. 2 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 7 is into 2 means 128. 2 raised to 8 is 256. 2 raised to 9 is 512. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So answer is it will be 256 times that of the original bacteria when we started. Next, express 591, 5913 and how many zeros? 6 zeros in the standard form. Standard form means only one. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.